Think it's too late to start a garden? Think again. Here are 5 fast-growing, cold-tolerant crops you can still plant in August and harvest in just weeks. Whether you're a backyard grower or balcony gardener, August isn't the end, it's your second chance. These crops thrive in late summer and mature before the first frost. Radishes are lightning fast. Plant now, and you'll be harvesting crisp roots in just 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for fall salads. Spinach loves cooler temps. Start seeds in late August, and you'll have tender leaves in 30 to 40 days. Bonus: it can handle light frost. Loose-leaf lettuce varieties are heat-tolerant and quick. You can start harvesting baby greens in just 25 days. So every 2 weeks for a continuous harvest. If you're in a warmer zone, zone 7 or higher, bush beans are still game. Plant now and harvest fresh pods in about 50 to 60 days. Turnips are a 2-4-1 crop. The greens are ready in 3 to 4 weeks, and the roots follow in 50 to 60 days. Hardy and packed with nutrients. So don't hang up your gloves yet. August is still prime time to plant. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're growing any of these crops. Happy gardening!